So next chapter is mensuration. In this chapter we'll learn to find out area and perimeters for various figures. So first topic is perimeter. Now what is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance along the boundary of a closed figure. Let's say this is a figure. I am drawing a rectangle. This is 6 centimeter. The opposite sides of rectangle are equal. So this will also be 6 centimeter. This is 4. So this will also be 4. Now perimeter of this figure will be sum of all the sides. Dimensions of all the sides are given. What you have to do is you have to add all the dimensions. So perimeter will be equal to 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4. So it will be 20 centimeter. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of all the sides of a closed figure. Let's say I am drawing this figure. So in this figure, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Let's say this is 4, 4, again 1, 1, and this one is 8. Now, see, you have to find the perimeter of the figure. It means you have to add all the sides. We'll start from here to avoid the confusion. यहाँ से start करो. It will be 1 plus this 1 plus 4. Again this is 1 plus this one 8 plus 1 plus 4, and this one is 1. You have to add all these numbers. What will be the sum? 21 centimeter. So 21 centimeter is the perimeter of this figure. So we'll write the formula of perimeter for few common figures. Like first one is square. We know that all the sides of a square are equal. If this is a square, so let's say the side of square is S. So if this side is S, so this will also be S, this will also be S, and this will also be S. So what will be the perimeter of this square? You have to add all the sides. S plus S plus S plus S. It will be equal to 4S. Next one is rectangle. In rectangle, we know that opposite sides are equal. Let's say length of this rectangle is L. So this side will also be L. Breadth of rectangle is B. So this side will also be B. So perimeter is equals to sum of all the sides. Start adding L plus B. Again L plus B. So it will be 2L plus 2B. 2 is common in both the terms. So we can apply distributive property. We can take out the 2 outside the bracket. So 2 in the bracket you will have L plus B. So formula for perimeter of rectangle is twice in bracket L plus B. Next is regular shapes. Now what do you mean by regular shapes? Regular shapes are those figures, are those shapes in which all the sides are equal. Like square, all the sides are equal, so it is a regular shape. Equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal, so it means that is a regular shape. So in that case, if we are talking about like regular pentagon, pentagon is figure having 5 sides. So in that case, all the 5 sides will be equal. So formula of perimeter of regular shapes will be side like let's say side is S into number of sides. Now how many number of sides are there? 3. And what is the dimension of the side? S. So formula for equilateral triangle will be 3S. Same in case of pentagon. If it is regular, then dimension of the side, let's say, is given S, and how many sides are there in regular pentagon? 5. So you will multiply S by 5. So formula will be 5S. Regular quadrilateral means quadrilateral having 4 sides, and let's say dimension of each side is S. So formula will be 4 into S.